Cleaning your home's glass windows is one of those tasks that often gets postponed until a sunny day shines through and highlights every streak, fingerprint, and smudge with brutal honesty. Yet there's something deeply satisfying about restoring clarity to a pane of glass, transforming a dull, hazy surface into a crystal-clear portal that reconnects your indoor world with the outside. Unlike vacuuming or dishwashing, which must be done constantly, window cleaning feels like a true reset, a visual breath of fresh air that gives your home an instant facelift. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment or a professional crew, just a methodical approach, a little elbow grease, and the right tools. Click the link in the description below to get our 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist plus a bonus. You'll also get access to our free community made for women. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Start by choosing your moment. Believe it or not, the best time to clean your windows isn't a bright, sunny day. Direct sunlight can cause your cleaning solution to dry too quickly, leading to streaks that seem worse than the dirt you started with. Instead, opt for a cloudy day or aim for early morning or late afternoon. This gives you time to work before the heat kicks in and allows the cleaner to stay wet long enough to be wiped clean. Make sure you have the essentials on hand: a bucket, warm water, a squeegee, a few microfiber cloths, a sponge or scrubber, and a gentle window cleaner, or better yet, a DIY mix of water, white vinegar, and a small splash of dish soap. Before you start scrubbing the glass, take a moment to address the frames and sills. These often overlooked areas collect a surprising amount of dust, cobwebs, and dead bugs, especially if your windows haven't been opened in a while. Use a dry cloth or vacuum with a brush attachment to clear out debris, then follow with a damp cloth to wipe down the surfaces. If there's built-up grime, a mild soap and water solution works wonders. Neglecting the sills means any dirt left behind can be pulled right back onto your freshly cleaned glass with the next breeze. Now turn your attention to the glass itself. Begin by rinsing the exterior windows with a hose to loosen any surface dirt and dust. For interior windows, a quick wipe down with a damp microfiber cloth will do the trick. This initial rinse helps avoid grinding grit into the glass as you clean, a simple step that protects your windows from fine scratches over time. Next, apply your cleaning solution generously, either with a spray bottle or sponge. Start at the top and work your way down, using long, sweeping motions to distribute the cleaner and break up dirt, pollen, and grease. If your windows are especially grimy, perhaps facing a busy street, garden, or pool area, use a soft scrubber or non-abrasive sponge to gently agitate stuck-on debris. Avoid anything too rough, like steel wool or harsh scouring pads, which can etch the glass. Once the surface has been thoroughly cleaned, grab your squeegee. This is the secret weapon for a streak-free finish. Starting at the top corner, pull the squeegee across the glass in a steady, straight line. Wipe the blade with a clean cloth after each pass to prevent dragging dirt and water back across the pane. Repeat until you've covered the entire surface, slightly overlapping each stroke to avoid missed spots. For squeegeeing, use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe up any drips along the edges and corners. Pay special attention to the bottom of the window where water tends to collect. For smaller windows or panes with divided sections, you might prefer using a cloth-only method. Spray, wipe with one cloth, then buff dry with another. Key here is to avoid lint-leaving towels or paper products, which can undo all your hard work in seconds. Microfiber is your best friend. It's absorbent, reusable, and gentle on glass. For second-story windows, safety is the priority. If you can reach them with an extension pole and squeegee from the ground, great! If not, consider removing screens and cleaning from the inside, or investing in a window cleaning tool designed specifically for higher access. Don't take risks with ladders unless you're confident and have proper support. Alternatively, tilt-in windows, common in newer homes, allow you to safely clean both sides from indoors, turning what used to be a precarious job into a much easier process. While you're at it, don't forget the screens. Dirty screens can make even the cleanest windows look dull. Remove them carefully and lay them flat on a towel or tarp. Use a soft brush and soapy water to gently scrub them, rinse with a hose, and let them dry completely before reinstalling. Clean screens not only improve your view but also keep your windows cleaner for longer by filtering out dust and debris. If you're dealing with stubborn spots like hard water stains, mineral buildup, or adhesive residue, there are specific treatments you can try. A paste of baking soda and water can lift mineral deposits, while a bit of rubbing alcohol can cut through sticky spots. Always test these on a small area first, and never use abrasive pads or chemicals that aren't glass-safe. The goal is clarity, not damage. Once the windows are spotless, step back and admire your handiwork. The transformation is subtle yet profound. More light, sharper views, a sense that your home has been aired out without opening a single window. It's one of those tasks that instantly brightens your space and boosts your mood, often in ways you don't realize until it's done. You might find yourself lingering by the window more often, appreciating the skyline, trees, or just the sense of openness a clean pane provides. Maintaining your windows is easier once they've had a deep clean. A light monthly wipe down with a microfiber cloth can prevent buildup. Keep a bottle of your favorite cleaner or vinegar solution handy for spot cleaning fingerprints or smudges. Seasonal deep cleans, spring and fall, ensure you're always ready for the changing light and temperatures that make windows a focal point. In the end, cleaning your windows is more than a visual upgrade. It's an act of care for your home, your environment, and yourself. It's about removing the grime of everyday life and revealing the view that's been waiting behind it. And when the sun shines through a spotless window, casting clear light across your floorboards and walls, you'll remember that sometimes the clearest perspective begins with a little soap and effort. Click the link below to get your free top 10 cleaning products guide and your free emergency speed cleaning checklist. And join our free community. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode.